Alright guys, so I just launched my game on Steam, right? And it literally just says launching, and then it shows running install script, Microsoft.NET framework, and it just stays there, like nothing happens. No game, no error, just stuck. I know a lot of you are probably facing this right now because this is actually a pretty common Steam issue. It looks scary, but honestly, it's super easy to fix. So yeah, don't worry, I got you. Alright, so first thing, just open up your Steam. Once you're here, go to the top left, click on Steam, and then go into settings. Now inside settings, look for in-game. On the left side, you're gonna see this option that says enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Just turn that off. Yeah, I know it sounds random, but trust me, this actually fixes it for a lot of people. Alright, now next step, go to downloads, and here you'll see clear download cache. Click that. Steam is gonna warn you, and then it'll restart itself. That's completely normal, so just let it close. Now open Steam again, log back into your account, and now go ahead and launch your game again. And this time it should actually open properly. No more stuck on running install script, Microsoft.NET framework. You should just go straight into the game like normal. If it still doesn't work for you, let me know in the comments. I'll help you out. But yeah, for most of you, this should fix it instantly. Alright, that's it for this one. Quick fix, no wasting time. Catch you guys in the next one.